Ethan! You're fired.
Jay,
I don't want to hear it. How many times have you pulled this? How many times?
I know. 3 strikes. I'm done. I get it.
We've got Ryan Weaver coming in 20.
I wasn't smoking last night.
And you were supposed to have the studio ready before I got here. I don't care what you were doing last night. Time
is money.
And we don't have a lot of time now.
Morning, Ethan. You mixing the podcast tonight?
Jay fired me.
Hey, you still got your music though.
Jay, let me play
I don't
the
have
song.
time for this. Give me a check.
What?
Ethan, come on.
Check. 1, 2, 3, check.
Good.
Jay, this song.
I've heard them all before, Ethan, but unfortunately, a song isn't gonna run my radio station.
But this might be the best song
So was
I've
the
ever
last one. Look, you've got talent, but until you can do anything with it, you need steady income.
Give me another month. I've almost got enough money for the studio session at
How many
Millport.
times have you almost had enough money for a studio session, huh? How many?
My bills are paid. I have all my
All right, so they give you a studio session, then what?
They master, they record,
And then
everything.
you have to shovel money into marketing, cover art, distribution. Are they gonna hold your hand through that too? Huh? Look, I just want you to start using
See you, Emmerich.
Hook up my house later if you're free.
Jay,
What?
do me a favor. Hold off on telling Mom and Dad for a bit, all right?
Hey. Sorry I couldn't send that much this month. I'm still working at the station with Jay. Almost have enough for that studio session. Really wish you'd give me a call. It's been a while. Maybe after this EP is done I can come back. Alright, Beth, I'll see ya.
Hi, is John there?
May I ask who's calling?
Yeah, this is Ethan Kane.
Oh, hi Ethan. He isn't in right now, but I can take a message.
Oh, all right. I actually had a studio session booked a couple months ago. I had a family emergency. I had to cancel. I was hoping maybe I could get in sometime this month.
All right, I'll give him your message. Just know he may be booked for another month and a half.
All right. Thank you so much, Julia. Have a nice day.
Goodbye, Ethan.
Bye. Thanks, man.
Ethan.
Hey, Dad.
Hey. Well, 2 months. That's a new record.
Well, not if you don't count the hair place.
Oh, no, we don't count that one. That was their fault, not yours. Why don't you let me be the one to tell your mom? And bring your stuff straight up the stairs.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay.
I'm calling Jay.
Carol, leave it. You know how Jay is.
How do you fire family? I don't care if he shit on the microphone.
Well, I don't know about that, but he's coming home.
He's what?
Listen, he can hear you. He's already upstairs.
Upstairs? 2 months. It's been 2 months.
Well, that's better than 2 days at the hair place.
This isn't funny, Craig. We can't keep pampering him when he falls. When is he going to learn?
Carol, sometimes it takes...
Don't carol me and tell him to get his shit together.
Where is he going to
I
go?
don't care.
Yeah,
Hey, got the message, Dad.
Oh. You talked to her?
Not in a while.
And Ashley?
Dad, really?
Okay. Can I help you with that?
Fuck me! Why can't I keep a job? I start something, and then 5 minutes later, I have no idea what I'm even doing. I don't know why I started it, and I don't know what I'm trying to accomplish. I just don't know what to do anymore, Dad. Do I give up music? Everything that I've worked for? You know, I really feel like if I don't at least try, I'm gonna hate myself forever.
You're gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. If you feel you need to do this, then you do what you have to. Just keep looking for some work. Here.
Dad, I don't want it.
No. This is just for backup. You need a room or something. Take it.
Thanks.
Ethan.
Hey, Mom. I'm sorry I'm such a disappointment. Dad gave me this.
Wait, 2?
2? I'm tired of my 1.
I think a boy and a girl would be nice.
Crazy, Van. You're crazy.
I like kids.
You won't be saying that when you have some of your own.
Think I could take my lunch break?
Go, go.
Thanks. Hello, this is Ethan Kane.
It's John.
Hey, John, how are you?
Listen, Ethan, my assistant left me your messages. I love your sound, but we've been down this road before.
I know, but...
Last time you had to work late, the time before that traffic was rough, the first time, it seems like every time, you didn't have money anymore because the bills were piling up.
I've been working for about 6 months now, steady, and I just got a raise. I'm feeling good, and...
Look, I don't care what you've been doing. I have an opening at 1. This is your last chance.
Yes, my God, yes!
A minute later, a penny short, and I'm recording my own EP to make back the money I'm wasting talking to you now. Got it?
Does the Pope shit in the woods?
Bye.
Okay, so I'm gonna need to ask you a favor.
Your big music store call.
Yes, big music store called.
You're lucky you're cute.
Thank you.
Hey. Don't forget us little people.
How could I?
Good luck.
No, I'm just getting out of the studio now. No, I'm telling you, they master record everything. Yeah. Oh, for sure. Get there someday, sweetie. No. Just talk to us. Yeah, maybe she sees the producer, huh? Oh man. No, it's not just that. She's like, alright.
What?
Oh, hi.
What do you want, Ethan?
I finally got enough for the studio session.
Ashley, can you go inside, please? Eight years.
Beth,
Fuck you. You came here to tell me about your studio session? Why would I care?
No. I wanted to see you, and
I don't want to see you. Well, don't just stand there. You look stupid.
Look, I know I wasn't great in the past.
You left us. You got scared and you ran away.
And I came back.
For what, 10 months?
You left me the second time.
Because you weren't an adult. You left our 6-month-old daughter alone in the house to get an autograph from Jack Johnson.
Beth, I'm sorry.
That's not good enough.
Look, it might not be, but I'm getting better. Beth, this is where I want to be.
You can't be everywhere, Ethan. You wanted to follow your dreams, great. But you could never give us your all. This is what you do. You take on so much and then you spread yourself too thin. Go home.
Bethany, would you stop? Look, I'm well aware that you don't want to take me back. I was stupid. I was immature. And I was selfish. I know it took too long. But I've grown up. If you will just give me a chance to show you. Beth, I'll keep working at Charlie's. I'll work there for as long as it takes. So you and I can actually try to make this work. Beth, I love you.
I don't know if that's enough, Ethan.
Wait. I did save up enough for the session. And I had the appointment at 1. Just take this, please.
This is very generous, Ethan. But money is temporary and you're too risky. I don't want to see you again.
No, please don't do this. Beth, please, don't do this. Don't do this. You two are the only thing I have. Please.
Mom,
Yes, honey.
I'm trying to play the lava song, but I can't figure out which chord comes after C.
I don't know, Ashley. I can't help you with that.
Okay.
Ethan! You can see her for 10 minutes, and then you're gone. My mom will be home any minute.
Thank you, Bethany.
Ashley, we have a guest.
Okay.
Mind if I sit in? Hi.
Hi.
This is Ethan. He's an old friend of mine.
I like your guitar.
Thank you. I love the ukulele.
Thanks, my mom bought it for me when I was born.
Oh. You know how to play C chord?
Yep, I learned chords last year, and I know down, down, up, down, up. E7 is my favorite.
Really? It's actually mine too. I just got done writing a song. Do you want to hear it?
Sure.
Actually, here are the chords. Can you play C, E7, F, C?
I can try.
Okay. It's a real soft strumming pattern. To F. And then back to C. Silver street light bleeding, the sidewalk puddle drowning. I found myself alone inside a song. A song that sings of romance, a song that teach me how to dance, one that shows me just how far I've come. To F and C. There you go, back to F. A minor. Tell my mama I'm coming home. Tell my father I'm coming home tonight. There you go. Stay on that C. My heart keeps time like a